Hello, teacher. My name is Silvia Juliana Ayala, and today I am going to use continuous present and simple present to describe five photos. In the first picture, they are designers. They are meeting to the designers with meals, and they are talking about ideas for design. In the second picture, she specializes in elderly care. She is talking to the patient and she is working in a geriatric home. In the third picture, they are architects. They are reading an architectural plan and he is greeting on the architectural plan. In the fourth picture, they are lawyers. She is defending a client. The men are listening to the verdict. And the final picture, she is learns how to put out fires. She is preparing to be a firefighter and she is feeling adrenaline in her body. Thank you, teacher. See you later.